going on? I'm Steve. Hope you're doing amazing. And this is Buddy Holly's That'll Be the Day. I'm going to show you how to play it in under 3 minutes, including that iconic intro, which you only need one finger for. Can you believe that? Let's get right to it. We start off here with a capo on the 5th fret, and you play an E major shape. But the song really begins in an A major shape right here. So let's try it out. Ready? It goes, well, that'll be the day. And you're playing an A shape. You can do a chord if you want to. When you say goodbye, E major, you make me cry. But you saw me playing blues a second ago, like that. Check out my 3-minute video on how to play the blues. It's really cool, and this is a great song where it applies just like this. You know it's a lie, cause A, that'll be the day, and then it goes to a B7th. B7th, check the link in the description for the chord charts below, a B7th. When I E, when I die, and then it does a verse right here. Well, you give me all your love, and that's A, E, A, all you're in your E, A. Still you tell me maybe, and then it goes to an F sharp major, that someday will, to a B right there, I'll be blue, B7th again. Now you could do an F sharp major 7th to a regular B, but that doesn't sound that good. F sharp major 7th sounds great going into that B7th, ready? And right back down to the A. So however you do it, those are the ones. Now let me show you that classic intro. You take this finger right here and put it on the 8th fret of the G string and slide it in to the 9th fret like that. Then you hit the open B strings and E strings. So go like this. It's really easy. Then bring that finger down and hit those same strings again. Bring it down one more to the 7th fret, like that. And then bring it down to the 6th fret. And then go to the B7th. So listen. Super cool. And then at the ending of the song is a little bonus, you know, it's saying, that'll be the day you say goodbye. Well, E, that'll be the day when I die. And it goes super cool. So you take this finger again, put it on the 8th fret of the B string and hit the open E. Then go to the 7th fret of the B string with that open E, 6th fret, open E, and then E major, and you strum it out. Super cool. I believe in you. I think if you do this and try it a couple times, you'll get it, and people will be going, that's cool, that'll be the day by Buddy Holly. All right, let me know what you think in the comments. Give me some requests, and I'll catch you next time for some more super fast 3-minute lessons. See ya.